Right then, hello everyone. This is just a quick or short little video. So I appreciate everyone who's been liking, subscribing, and just following me on my journey. But I've had an email from YouTube saying if I don't get if I don't get to 4,000 hours of view time, then I'm not going to be allowed to upload anymore. So it leaves me in a bit of a difficult position. They're going to give me a month to see if I can hit 4,000 views, which I seriously doubt that's going to happen because I've only got 666 hours of view time. So I'm seriously going to be struggling to get it. But Saturday or tomorrow I'm out, so no video Saturday, but Sunday I'm going to record loads. So I'm going to try and get an hour episode in, and then if we could get loads of views on that, about 100 views or something, then that will pump it to 100 hours, you see. So that's the plan. But in the meantime, this might be the last video of me. But I'm just thinking of everything I can do to try and get it to 4,000 hours, which I just doubt will happen now. Because I've got the right amount. I've got 1,000 subscribers, so I'm fine. It's just the views, which I'm struggling with. I haven't even got 1,000 views. So what I'm going to ask you all is a big favour. So of course I don't want to leave YouTube because I've made so many new friends and just like it as a community. So I was wondering, if you're watching this, please like and please subscribe. And then could you go and watch some of my videos, maybe the longer ones, get some of the hours in. And if possible, if you have your own channel, please shout me out, give me a little video or something, or maybe get in touch and then I can send you some pictures of the car and maybe do a little review or something. I'm just going to try and share my channel out to everyone really at the moment. So Instagram, Snapchat, just try and get it out there. But yeah, if this is my last video, I've loved it, and if it is going to be the last video, I will stop this channel and I'm going to make a new one and call it Jay Smith or something, and then I'll be straight on there with the continuation from this channel to that one. But yeah, please like and subscribe. Please share this video to everyone, friends, family, mates, absolutely everyone you know. Tell them the story and what's going on and what I'm doing, how old I am, stuff like that. So yeah, if you're watching this, please share me. Please like and subscribe as well. And hopefully Monday at the latest we'll get another episode out. But yeah, let's see if, come on, we can do this. So let's see if we can get to 4,000 views. I doubt we will, but it'd be amazing if we could. So please everyone, please like and subscribe. Get viewing on my channel. In the meantime, I'm going to be a bit dormant until Monday. But this might be the last video. So thank you everyone who's been just following me. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Please share this video with everyone. You can click the share button and send it to people. That's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, just put some pictures on the end of the video just to show you where I've come from, because I owned the car a year, 6 months yesterday, so half a year. So yeah, that's good. So I'm going Bingley Hall as well, but I'll talk to you about that soon, probably Monday or Friday, I don't know. But yeah, please share this video and let's hit the 4,000 views if possible. That'd be really good. So thank you very much. Cheers.